I thought I was a very bad student in JC when I was doing economics, and then I think my teacher also told me that, oh, you're terrible. So hi everybody, I'm Darren. I'm 33 years old this year. I was a regular. Yeah, not a medium. No, I was a regular, SAF regular. And then I left the service in May. Growing up, I never really had an affinity with investing. I always avoided it, maybe because I thought I was a very bad student in JC when I was doing economics. And then I think my teacher also told me that, oh, you're terrible. So maybe from that I convinced myself, like, hey, you will never become a businessman, you will never understand business or stock markets, etc., etc. So all my investments before this, right, were either fixed deposits with banks or ILPs with other insurance companies lah. Then also every now and then you have the reminders who give you stock tips, and then from there that's how I started investing. We were all the same. Every time when you click buy on a certain stock, the next thing you know, the price goes down, and then you're like, yeah, why did I buy now? Because of that, and because of the idea of being able to generate passive income, and me wanting to have that conviction in the stocks I buy, so after I found about VIA, I decided to come and join VIA's course. Yeah. So I think the most valuable lesson I've learned from VIA so far would be how to properly evaluate a company, and to also make sure that these are companies within your circle of competence. I would say that because previously when you get stock tips from reminders, they're basically from stocks that are, it can be any single stock within the SGX or wherever. So the thing is, it might be something that you don't understand. It might be something that you have never heard of until he mentioned it, and just because he mentioned it, you just buy. You didn't do your homework to evaluate how the company is, what are they doing, do you even know what the company does? So I think this is the most important takeaway for me. What Cayden has mentioned before about you must be able to buy stocks and still be able to go to sleep at night peacefully, I think that one really resonated with me, because there are so many people out there right now giving tips on what to buy, what not to buy. But the thing is, once you put your hard-earned money there, can you actually really comfortably go to sleep at night? That is another thing to consider. Yeah. Investing didn't really change my mindset in that sense, but knowing how to invest better, for some reason, gave me more confidence to, okay, I will set aside some more money to be it a stock or am I selling options or whatsoever. It gave me more confidence in doing that. Before that, I didn't have that conviction to say, okay, I'm putting aside this much to do this and that. Yeah. My goal would be to generate enough passive income. And then, of course, I want to achieve financial freedom. I think everybody wants to do that. What happened was I graduated from VIA batch 58, which was a few months back only, and then I immediately started selling options like what Cayden taught. And now it's about 3-4% or so since I started, since May or June. And hopefully one day, I would be able to generate enough passive income to far supersedes what I'm earning on a monthly basis. And from there, I'll have the time to do whatever I want to do and whatever I enjoy doing in life. Yeah. If you want to start investing, the first thing would be to not be scared away by the words or numbers that you don't understand, because that was what happened to me last time. It will always look intimidating, but just don't doubt yourself, start small and then just keep going at it. A phrase which was told to me last time when I was still in the service was TTT, things take time. So everything takes time, So you might not be able to get it straight away, but don't worry, just keep trying to refresh on what certain terms mean, what to look out for maybe in a company. Maybe if you look at the annual report, you're confused, never mind. Look at it today, you're confused, okay, put it aside. Come back again tomorrow, just look at it again. It will come to you eventually. Don't be afraid of that. So even in terms of the ROI, because at the start it's always very small, But things take time. Don't be demoralized and just keep going at it. I think Cayden is also someone who emphasizes a lot about time. This is something which I think really holds true. You either have to have that time horizon, and then you have to be able to tell yourself to be patient and watch it grow.